Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog for the survival month, and it's day 17 for the survival month, and currently it's February the 24th. Something I'm taking out of me this week and next few weeks is my camera, because I need to get some good pictures to put on my website, because I've got pictures on there that are still the ones that come with the website, so I really need to sort something out. But always juggling, aren't you? Right, what have we got today? We've got 4 jobs. 3 of them are gutter clears, and one of them is a gutter clear, but it's the full works. So it's all the fascia soffits and gutters, gable ends. There's a canopy roof inside of that as well, and his garage is getting the same treatment. So that's a big job, and I'll be using Synergy Pro Clean on that. There's some cladding that I've been told is quite dirty, and I know the canopy's really green, so that'll be a good test. However, weather-wise, it is currently raining, and it looks like we're gonna have rain on and off through the day. But I'm gonna go off now and do a gutter clear. It's a big job for a customer. I regularly clean his windows as well, and it's got some nooks and crannies and stuff, but I've done it before, so I kind of know what to do and where. So join us today and see how we get on. Will we do it? Will the weather get too bad? Will we get weathered off? Who knows? Right, gonna get the heaters on and get going. Join us. Right, really glad I finished that one. God, that was an arm buster. My arms are aching. It was a lot actually, and it took us longer than what we thought, but luckily the customer come out, had a word with us and has paid us extra, and we're going to do a repeat job in November as well. So we've got that all, well, November, December, when the trees stop dropping the leaves basically. So we've got that one in the pipeline. We've just come off to Asda, used the toilet. We're going to quickly put our lunch down next, and then on to the next job, which is where we've got the full suite. So as well as his home, we've also got a double garage to do, gable ends, fascia soffits and gutters, gutter clear, the windows, a canopy roof, and obviously underneath it as well. But at least with that, Matthew's going to do the gutters, and while he's doing all the guttering and setting up and packing away, I'm going to crack on with the rest. It started raining as well, so while we're eating, at least it's raining, and hopefully it'll stop, and then we can get out there. Everything's had a pre-soak and should come up easier. Be interested to see how the Synergy Pro comes out. But yeah, onwards and upwards. Got to crack on because time's running away as normal. Hi everyone, as you can see, we've probably finished and it's dark. So I've just got home. It was gone 6 when I come home. It's now 6:30. So we had one of them days where it's just gone against you. The first clean took a lot longer than what we thought it would. The customer kindly gave us some extra money for it. I emptied the gutter vac, the Industrial 85 I've got, 10 times during that clean, and most of it was water that was standing in the gutters. But we've got it all done, everything's all clear, so hopefully no longer problems for him. And we've got the job rebooked in for November, December time when the leaves stop falling, and hopefully it won't be as bad as then. And then the second clean, that was a full suite job, so fascia soffits and gutters, a gutter clear. We cleaned the cladding on the dormer windows. I cleaned a canopy roof and underneath it, and we did exactly the same treatment for his double garage as well. We did that job, but I had a problem with the canopy roof, because next time someone quotes you and you're in a rush, just stop, get your ladder and go up, or organise it and come on a day where you haven't got plenty of time to do a quote, because it was covered in lichen, and the lichen just made me, I was scrubbing forever to get rid of that. Now, good point though, Synergy Pro clean, really, really good. I like that. Wasn't a good test for it with the fascia soffits and gutters because they weren't completely green or anything like that, but the canopy roof was. But to be honest, because it had been raining all day, it was coming off quite easy anyway. But it definitely made the framework was a lot easier with the Synergy. There was a difference with or without Synergy Pro clean, and it was the lichen was a complete nightmare. You can get bits off, but it just sticks really good, doesn't it? It takes some scrubbing. So I just feel like I've been in the gym for about a week. And then on the cladding, Matthew was doing that because I was just caught up with the roof, and he was doing it from the ground, and it was quite black on the old cladding. And he said he's done the best he could. So at the end, when the light was fading, I just used my step ladder, so I was a bit closer, used the Synergy Pro again on there, and I just steamed in there, and it really come off really easy, really well actually. And I think obviously I had a bit better go of it being on the step ladder as opposed to like Matthew being on the ground. So I said to him, maybe when something's like that, we'll have to use a step ladder, although I was using it all the time on the roof. So that's the day gone. So we ended up with 2 cleans out of 4. The other gutter clears, they're 2 small ones. We're going to chuck them in. Matthew's come up with a plan. Wednesday is a bit of a quieter day in the week than the others, so we reckon we can get them in then. So we're going to speak to the customers and reorganise that. Then we wouldn't have lost that. And today was still worth more than doing window cleaning though. Although I think I'd rather done window cleaning for the day because my arms and everything, I am knackered. So that's me done. There'll be another video up on there. Like and subscribe, all the good stuff. Yeah, we don't get many times we get a day like how it's gone today, but it's happened. Hopefully it won't happen for a few months. Take care.